Hi, welcome to Reach Mentor. This video is all about installation of XAMPP. Today I am going to show you how to install XAMPP on Windows. Okay, to do that, go to the browser and type XAMPP download and click enter. Here you can find a link. Download XAMPP. Okay, www.apachefriends.org. This is the official link. Here you can find the version, checksum and size. I'm going to install 7.1.6 and my OS is 32-bit. I'm going to hit this button, 32-bit. It started downloading. Installing XAMPP is pretty easy and straightforward. Just click yes, accept and finish. Double click the downloaded file. It will take you to the another window where you need to click yes. Continue with installation. Yes. Next, important because activated. Okay, yes. And click next. And check MySQL. I'm going to check MySQL. Now select a directory. I'm from E and XAMPP1. Next, hit a next button. Next, setup is now ready, been installed in XAMPP on our computers. Okay. It started unpacking the files. If you are installing it for first time, don't uncheck MySQL. Now it took me to the another window. Unpacking will take a pretty amount of time. Now hit the finish button. Yeah, select the state, select the flag. Okay. My XAMPP control panel has started. I am going to hit start. You can see the visible. You can see I don't have MySQL. Now go to the browser and type localhost. If this window appears, then everything is fine. Now let me check my PHP by clicking here. Yeah, things are pretty fine and working good. My XAMPP installation is done and PHP is working fine. And my XAMPP control panel, you can see my control panel. Yeah, it's also working fine. Bye bye. Thank you.